Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone, and welcome to your ultimate guide on getting a PlayStation 5 in 2025. If you have been dreaming of owning this console, you are in luck because the landscape has changed dramatically. Gone are the days of intense stock shortages and battling bots online. Now, securing a PS5 is a much more relaxed and enjoyable process, and we are here to walk you through exactly how to do it. Your first stop should always be the major electronics retailers, both online and in person. Think about stores like Best Buy, Target, Walmart, or GameStop. Their websites are constantly updated, so it is a good idea to check them frequently, perhaps even setting up stock alerts if available. But do not underestimate the power of a quick visit to your local store, as they often receive shipments that might not immediately appear online, giving you a real advantage. Next, consider going directly to the source, Sony's official PlayStation Direct website. This platform often has a steady supply of consoles, and you might even find exclusive opportunities there. Also, keep an eye out for console bundles. Many retailers, and Sony themselves, offer packages that include a PS5 console along with a popular game, an extra controller, or even a charging station. These bundles provide excellent value and can be a fantastic way to kickstart your gaming experience. While the PS5 rarely sees massive price drops, you can still time your purchase wisely. Pay close attention to major sales events throughout the year. Periods like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and the post-holiday sales are prime opportunities for retailers to offer special promotions, maybe even a slight discount or a valuable bundle. Even if the console price stays firm, you might find tempting offers on games or accessories included with your purchase, making it a smarter buy. Before you buy, decide if you want the standard PlayStation 5 with a disc drive or the digital edition. Each has its advantages, so choose what fits your gaming style. Remember to budget for essential accessories too, like an extra DualSense controller or a quality gaming headset, as these enhance your experience. Most importantly, always purchase from reputable retailers to ensure your console is authentic and comes with a valid warranty, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.